A powerful winter storm is hitting much of the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic, with more than 40 million Americans currently under blizzard warnings. Multiple states and local officials are warning people to stay inside and stay safe after declaring states of emergency. Travel bans are in place in some regions, as that winter weather also snarls airports, stranding thousands of passengers. CBS News' Wendy Gillette has more.
Heavy snow and fierce winds are battering the Northeast. Multiple states, including New York, Pennsylvania, and Massachusetts, have declared states of emergency, with predictions of up to 1 to 2 feet of snow and possible coastal flooding.
This is a very serious storm that has the potential to be a historic nor'easter.
Ahead of the storm in Boston, supplies were in short supply.
Sleds, shovels, ice melt, ice chippers, and everything is sold out everywhere.
A ban on non-essential travel is in place in New York as the city faces its first blizzard warning in nearly a decade.
You need to be prepared for the worst.
Air travel is at a near standstill at many airports in the Northeast. FlightAware shows nearly 3,500 flights were canceled Sunday and more than 7,000 delayed, with even more delays and cancellations today.
They canceled my flight and we're currently on a standby list, but I'm 20 in line.
The snow and ice also creating treacherous conditions on the roads.
I've been sliding through pretty much every light, unfortunately.
Prompting warnings from this plow truck driver.
Stay home, be safe, keep everybody else safe.
This latest storm comes as much of the region was thawing out from last month's so-called snowcrete.
I'm sick of the winter. I want it to be all done.
Relief could come soon, with warmer temperatures forecast by the end of the week. Wendy Gillette, CBS News, New York.
The East Coast isn't the only region dealing with snow this week. According to the National Weather Service, higher elevations in Northern California could get more today. Another system is expected to dump snow on parts of the Great Lakes and the upper Midwest starting tomorrow.